Hi, this is Teresa. I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Thursday, and I hope you had a wonderful day. It's an afternoon right now, after 12, I think. And I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I tried several times today to get a video up. Actually, say 3 times maybe. But the people next door are so noisy. I would hear the background noise all in my video, and I couldn't concentrate. And a couple of times the happy hands pulled back too far, so I was trying to get the right view. Okay, so I'm gonna do one last video, and I'm gonna post this up. I'm gonna be doing my videos probably like once or twice a week, maybe like on a Saturday or Sunday, or maybe in the evening when they're not over there. But it's not just with the hammering and the saw noise, it's the fighting. They fight with each other. So I guess the guy that's in charge is not satisfied with what they're doing, and they're over there arguing real loud. And it's no consideration for the neighbors around us, you know. Especially me, I can't stand it. I'm thinking about taking my white table that I had from last year, taking it into the living room, and doing my videos in there. But I like my craft room, and right now it's quiet. I like that. I can sit here, I can hear the birds tweet outside. I like that. But when it's noisy, I don't. You know? So, I don't know. The people who have that house built, I don't even know why they're doing what they're doing. They tore down the whole house. I have to say, the whole back half of the house and redid it. Okay? They only left the front part. And all the money they put out, I think I would have moved to a better location, because right now Art Park is like right behind us, and when Art Park starts up, you know, they didn't start up yet. I'm really surprised, because this is June. Usually you can hear them, you know, because you can hear the drums warming up, you know, and you can hear the backdraft of the music that they're playing. You can't hear what the music is, you just hear the noise that it's making. You know, so they didn't start up yet. So, but well, if they moved here for that, then I could hear no music, you know. So I don't know. But anyway, my son was gonna come down this week, this month, I think 1st of July. But him and his wife, they changed their mind. They're not gonna come down. So we were gonna take them out to that animal sanctuary place where you feed the animals. You get on a bus, and you have big buffalo coming over to you and stuff, and you got like a little big thing of seed they give you, and you put it in your hands and put it out, and they eat out your hands. So I'm gonna take videos. So be prepared for big noses coming at you. But I love it there. It's really nice. Chris likes going there because they have nuts there, right? And they heat them up. Hot nuts. They're the best. They're really good. But they didn't do that last time we were there, so they may not do it this time either. But that's what Chris looks forward to. So we're going to go there this weekend. But what I am going to do, I'm going to show you what I made. I'm going to point the camera on down, and I'm going to show you what I made, and then we're going to make one dangle, because this will be a short video. So let me put this up. Turn the board around. Okay, now I can't have you really zoomed in, because I tried that because I really wanted you to see what I was doing. I just got to make sure I have everything in front of you that you can see, you know. And I'll try to zoom it in a little bit, so I don't know how that's going to be. But I can tilt you on down. There we go. Okay. Put it over here. That turns the lights on. Lights are blinding, aren't they? Okay. See, now you can see everything, I think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here. I'm going to show you what I made. Yeah, these got to go someplace else. See, first things we made. I hope you can see. Okay. seems dark. I hope it's not in slow mode or nothing. Sometimes I do that too. And I made zipper pulls. These are just regular charms. This is a zipper pull. You know, for your pocketbooks, put them on your zipper. Or on your backpack. And these are just regular charms here. Here's another zipper pull that I did. And then this one. And I'm just gonna, let me see if I can zoom in for you to see it. See? That's what we did. Now, I'm gonna put these back. And we also did, these here. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna, if I really want to show you something up close, I'll just do that one thing up close, and then the rest of it I'll make sure that it's pulled, the camera's pulled back so you can see everything. Okay, let's see, how's that? This one goes like these. Okay, now this here is a zipper pull. See how long? Oh wait, you know what? I got a point, there you go. If I put my camera up, then I can see it. You see. So I did these. This is a zipper pull, this one here. And this one, these are just charms. Right here, more zipper pulls. That's just a charm. And now I'll show you the last one that I did. Okay. We did these hearts. Well, did them. Gonna have them online with us. These are like little charms, and this here will be like a zipper pull, this one here. And I also did some mushrooms. Okay. 2 mushrooms there, and then the 3. So let's put these back. I'll show you what we're going to, I need a drink of my soda. I'll show you what we're going to do the video with. Okay, I have it right here. Okay. Turn this over. Okay, now let me zoom you back out. Okay. You know, I wonder if the camera is down. Yes. I think it's right. I'll check it like I always do. See, these are these weird shaped ones. Get a couple different things out. Because we're going to make a little dangle. This do it was the silver jump rings. Oops. Them jump rings. And these head pins. Well, eye pins. Okay. Oh, lobster claws. Where are they at? Get a couple of them out. I think that I'm only gonna do like maybe 1 or 2, but just in case. Okay. First we'll do one on here. Let's see. Start off as a square one. Okay, the square and I put a couple sleeve, couple on top. If I could find there we go. That and maybe like this. A little tube. No. Okay, now I gotta cut some off. I find that the cutters for memory wire work the best. You hold it like this so it doesn't go flying. I learned that tip from watching videos. And get your round nose pliers out. This is the part that always pulled me out of sight. Because I twisted. And for some reason I kept pulling my hands back. Okay, pull it back a little bit like this. Put it in there again. Gotta make sure it closes. It's almost closed. Just gotta bring this bottom piece up more. There, now it's closed. So you get this one, then you do another. Okay, let's do one, let's say a teardrop thing, maybe a little tube. How many do I got? 3 on that one, right? Little tube and, let's see, maybe this here thingy. It's like another little teardrop. Okay, you take your cutters, and there's pliers, there you go. That's closed. And now, that's 2 dangles. Let's see how that looks, just 2. Well, it's going to be 3 because I'm doing this one here now too. Start with a tube this time. Tube, a little tiny bead here, maybe this little round one. Okay, and we gotta cut this one. Okay. Okay. Someone gave me a tip about putting like a little marker on my round nose pliers, so I, you know, get the same size for each loop. Been meaning to do that, and I keep forgetting. This one's looking real pretty. Yeah, a little bit crooked. Straighten it up some. But at least you can see me now, right? I don't think you really need to be zoomed in close. But If I'm doing something that I really want to show you, that's when I'll zoom in. Let's see now. Let's do this one. Did I get my lobster claws here? Put a little lobster claw. I got the hiccups. Too much bubbly soda, I think. It's closed. Now we need another one of these. Okay, what's that little slit? I think I see it. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Pull that out. Put this on. And you take this one. And there's this one here, there's like a little gap between it. But what I do is I take a bit of my pliers and give it a little squeeze. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's see. Okay, open this one up. Gotta have a good grip on it though. Whoa. Come on now. There you go. You open that up. Put this on. Oh, this is gonna be a long one. Let's see how it looks. This was the same way. I'm gonna have to pinch it. Oh, almost lost my pliers. There we go. Oh, that's a long one. Pretty though. I'll show it at the end. Now what we're going to do is the next ones. We're going to do them singly. This one on. See it doing it. See how I do that? That one's so satisfied with that one. I'll go with that. Let's do this one now. I'm gonna have to buy some more of these head pins and straight pins. Okay, now what am I looking for? Looking for these. Pour it out a little bit. Yeah. It's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. Okay, now that. What one didn't I do? Let me do a green one here. See, it makes a nice loop, but it's not... I guess it could be as straight as it's going to be. Let me see, is there some different things in here. Okay, let's see about this here one. This could be the top one, or maybe the bottom one even. This has a big big body to it. See, because if I go like this, right, and I twirl it and twirl it, I get it right off the bat. It's when I try to straighten it is when it gets all wonky, you know. This one doesn't belong here. It's a different kind. Let's see, I got any other options in here? Let's use this one. So I think what I'm going to do when I do these, I'm just going to stop trying to straighten it up. Because it's not really crooked. Now when you look at it, I'll show you. See, it's not really, it's not like what you would call a perfect loop, but it's not really, crooked. Now let's do one to end it. We're going to do this round one to end it. Oops, came out. Oops. Let's see. See the little loop. I think it's as straight as what it's going to be, right? Wait, I knew you'd agree. I knew you'd agree. Okay, now what am I thinking here? Okay, I need these. You distracted me. Okay, let's see. The past couple of nights I haven't been really sleeping. I slept last night pretty good though. But I roll and I turn. It's horrible. Lobster claw. Right here. Okay. That was good. Okay, now let's do this one here. And this one. Okay. Another. Forget where I got them beads at. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Michael's. Not Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I got them. My new beads. These here ones. Oh, stop. Stop wiggling. Okay. Hook this one on. And that'd be for the bottom, right? Yeah, I knew I had more here. Okay. This could be a long dangly too. This one, this green one here. Why is something's that clothing right for me? There, that one did. Okay. I need a drink of my soda too. Where's that slit? There it is. Let me get a drink of my soda. Okay. You put this on it. And then I have one more. Put on it. One more. Then I got one more lobster claw left. We'll do one more after this. It won't be as long. Yeah, that one looks good. So here's what I got. So far, that's pretty. I like that. You'll be able to see it better on the board when we lay it down. And that's a long one. Now let's see. Gonna do this one here. Now what I can do. Oh, I know what I'm going to do with these. I am going to make this one dangly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them together to be one big, chunky charm. So one. I got to do one here on this one. Since these are little, I'm going to put both of these on one, just like so, and cut it right down. Okay. There we go. And now, let's do the final. We have, I have this one, red one. I get two. I got two left. You know what? I don't have to do that. I don't have to. So I'm just going to put these back. Okay. Ouch. Now this one does need to be straightened up a little bit. Okay. Now we need jump rings. Let's see. That's the ending to it. What am I doing? It's the ending. Well, this one's going to be a short one because for some reason I got like a pin on that one. That one's just going to be on top. It will look good. This one needs a closed pedal. Yep, I did. Now, can I open it back up? I forgot this. A little bit more. Thing is, it twists. Okay. Get that one. Truthfully, I don't think I should have put the lobster claws on. I don't know what we're gonna say. If I'm gonna make us into one thing, you know. Okay, that. And then one more for this one. Yeah. And put this on. Okay. Now what I'm thinking is I could take this. Now you know what though? I need a big loop. This one's bigger. I don't know if I want to do that or not, though, to tell you the truth. I kind of like the way they are. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Okay, now let's put these aside, and then we'll lay them out. See how it looks. First, we got to put these stuff away. These are over here. I might do another video tomorrow. It all depends on if the people next door making noise like they do. And you know, it kind of like, can't explain it. I don't know, it's just kind of getting into my head, you know, because you're sitting here, you want to do something, then all of a sudden the boss over there gets mad at his workers, and he's hollering and cussing at him, you know, and then you hear the sawing and the big bangs. It's just, you know, kind of got my head going. This here, I could use this though. So let me put this in here, because this is the one that's real long. I put that down. Okay, let me dump this off. And turn my board over, like so. This is what we made. Make this here long dangle. Dangle, not dangle. Said it wrong somehow. That one there. Made this one. And we made this one. I think they're cute. I was gonna like attach them, you know. I still could do that. Do I have any like really big loops though? I do. I got this big loop. But need a nice big silver loop. I'm not sure if I got one in here or not. Yeah, I think I do see one. Close this up. And get one of these big ones out, I guess. This one has one tight hanging to it. Like that. So that's what I was thinking about doing. I'm not sure if this is open. Yes, it does. Good. I'm gonna open this. Put this on. And close that. And then you take this. Connect it there. Take this one. Connect it. And then this one. Connect it, and then this little one. Oh, I like that. Let's see. I'll spread out. Zoom in. There you go. That's pretty, huh? I like that. Zoom you back out. Close up these boxes. I'm really tired. I was doing this all day long. I am all charmed out. Okay, let's turn these lights off. Then I'll bring my camera back up. Okay. There I am. Okay. Now, we made our little dangle. That's cute. I gotta put that in something though. Where's my drums that I was doing to put them in? Huh. Oh, here it is. It's right here. That's pretty. Be a little purse drum. Let's put that right in here. Okay. Now I hope everyone has a nice rest of the day for Thursday. Friday will be here soon, and the weekend. And I'm going to check this video out to see how it looks. And if it's good, I'll post it up. See, I'm like kind of like a perfectionist in a way. I like for things to be just so, to look nice, you know. And I just wasn't satisfied with the other videos. And then the holler and the screaming next doors had my brain rattling. But now I'm nice and calm. I'll let you go. You take care of yourselves, okay? And stop back. Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye.